What's up guys? I am Kendra and this is my first YouTube video. I am so excited to start making videos and kind of putting myself out there. I have been wanting to do this for so long and I finally am pushing myself to do it because it's 2018 and why wait? So I wanted to start out with hairstyles, quick and easy for short hair, as my first video. Whether you have bangs or not, it works. So in this, my hair is second day hair. I curled it the day before, but whether your hair is curly, straight, or natural, any of these hairstyles are going to work for you. I'm going to start this hairstyle by taking a medium section near the top of my head on one side and doing the same on the other, and then just pulling those two pieces back and kind of smoothing my hair out on top. Now taking a hair tie, I am pulling all that hair up in there and pulling my hair tight. For this one, I'm going to take a section that's a little thinner and a lot closer to my ear, and I'm just going to do that on both sides and pull those pieces to the back. And of course, to keep it all in place, you need to tie it off with a hair tie. I chose a thinner one just because I didn't want something huge and bulky. One option is you can pull the hair tie through and it will just kind of make your hair lay a lot better. So the third one, yeah, it's really simple. It's just a low ponytail, but still, like, some people just forget that you can just do a simple ponytail and still look super cute. So obviously I have bangs, but if you don't have them, don't let that stop you from just doing a simple low ponytail. Like, you can still look great. Hairstyle number 4. I'm just taking a smaller section like we did on the last one, and I am just going to be braiding this. If you don't know how to braid, there are so many videos on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure I'm braiding this like the opposite way, but don't mind that. If you're scared that your braid's gonna come undone, you can use an elastic on it, but I'm just going straight for the bobby pins. After that, you're just going to repeat the same thing on the other side of your head. Next one, I am taking a section kind of near the top of my head, and I am going to be French braiding this kind of down to my ear, and then that's where I stop adding in hair. If you want a slow tutorial on French braiding, make sure to go look up some videos, but then I'm just taking this piece and bobby pinning it to the back. Hairstyle number 6 is another that involves French braiding, but I am sectioning my hair into 2 sections and just tying one off so it doesn't get in my way. I'm going to start on one side and just French braid it. It ended up kind of reaching like the bottom of my ear when I was finished, and then I'm just doing the same exact thing to the other side. If you can't French braid awesome, don't worry, because really I love when these look messy. I can French braid really tight, but I like the loose look a lot better. But really, it just depends on your preference. Hairstyle number 7, I am taking some sections near the top of my head, not too big, but just enough to make a bun out of. And instead of pulling my hair through all the way, I am going to eventually get it kind of caught up to make a little bun. And to really make it kind of messy and perfect at the same time, you gotta bobby pin it. But this is probably one of my favorites. I don't know, I just think it's like super cute and simple and easy at the same exact time. Instead of one bun, I'm going to be doing space buns. So I'm just doing the same exact thing as I did in the other one. I have kind of thinner piece of hair, but it still makes a pretty good sized bun. And after pinning that, I just repeat it on the same exact side and make sure I bobby pin that too. You probably think that you can't do a high bun when you have short hair, but actually you can, and I just found it out and I'm super excited. But basically just take as much hair as you can and make a bun out of it. So here's all the leftover hair. That's super annoying for all of us short hair girls, but I'm just braiding the hair up and tying it off and then bobby pinning it up. So I'm getting it out of the way, but also making it look super cute at the same time. You can't even guess that I have short hair. Sadly, if none of these other hairstyles worked, just grab a cute headband. It's super simple and quick, and it just adds a little something to your hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you took something away from it. If you guys have any video ideas, just leave them down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, subscribe. If you guys are curious, this channel is going to be kind of diverse. I'm going to be doing a lot of beauty and lifestyle kind of videos, but I also want to be able to incorporate movies and music, and like I love amusement parks, like somehow incorporate that. I don't know. Just a lot of different things that show who I am and ways that I can, you know, entertain you guys, give you an outlet if you need it, give you advice and tips, and just help you guys out. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is, and I will catch you in the next video. You can't really see my eyebrows, but they're moving, I promise. If you guys have any video, how your hair is. This video that you're about to watch, you probably already know what it is. You know, it's ready to try some new things. It's me. It is me. I am it. But that doesn't make sense.